Okay guys, so welcome back to another video. So what we are doing today is we're going to wash this freaking truck. So it's raining at like 8 o'clock tonight. It's a little bit windy, but I think we'll be good to go. I'm not really too worried about that it's going to rain. I honestly don't really care. Sorry if it's windy. It is windy-ish outside, but kind of what I need to clean is I just need to kind of clean out my wheels. As I said the other day, I went through a little bit of mud. I just want to kind of see or get some pictures of it and stuff like that, you know, out there in its natural habitat. No, I'm just kidding with you. But yeah, so it's a little bit dirty. You can see, you know, a little bit dirty. Traction bars. So I did actually get my filters the other day. Got new ones. These are Baldwin filters. These are Baldwin filters. I've never actually used them before. I thought that was what I had on my Power Stroke. But it actually was just Donaldson, and you can't use it. You can't use the Donaldson ones on the Air Dogs. These ones said on Amazon. I got on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description for those as well. I didn't do like a install. It's pretty straightforward. All you do is just unscrew, or you just kind of unscrew that drain, and then drain out that fluid or the fuel. Not fluid. Well, it is fluid, but you drain out the fuel, and then once you drain out the fuel, you pretty much just freaking unscrew that bad boy, unscrew the actual filter. So the water zipper, you unscrew the filter. Once you unscrew those both, screw on the new ones, and then you're good to go. So what was it called? I just wanted to kind of go over that just a little bit. But yeah, today we're pretty much going to be spraying off the truck. I am using this. I'm sure you guys have seen me use it before, but I am using this right here. It is Extreme Body Wash and Wax, color brightening, whatever. Chemical guys. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, so if you guys do want to send me some free truck wash stuff or car wash stuff or whatever, I will definitely use it and do a review on it, but that's up to you guys. So that's not really the point of this video. The point of the video is just to kind of show you that I do have this as well. I got this off of Amazon, and I got this little tire brush thing from Walmart. That's pretty much it. So I was gonna kind of put out there. So I did make an exhaust tip. This is the one, you can't really see it that good, but it was black before, and I kind of just customized it to where it's like a silver. It's really just a, it's not really, well, it is silver, but it's just kind of bare metal. Besides the, what is it called, clear coat, and then I sanded it down with my orbital sander with like I can't, not high grit, or it's not like ultra grit sandpaper. It's just, it's something else over, but it's like 200 grit sandpaper, I think, or 150 grit sandpaper or something. So that's what I use for that. So if you guys want to actually buy those, I am starting to make them. I don't know if you guys really want to or not. But yeah, let me know. So let's go ahead and get into washing my truck.
Music licensing reimagined.
Truck today.
Artlist.io.
As it should be clean, right? So here's what I do with my truck. I wash it. I think it's kind of hazy, sorry, because I have that. Alright, clean my grill. Like last week or whatever, I sprayed it black again. It's all black now instead of gray. So clean, man. Holy crap. That's the dirty one.
Artlist.io.
Be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights.
Music licensing reimagined.
By the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh.
Artlist.io.
Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from my eyes. Would've thought was LSD, LSD. Can't lose my mind like Kennedy, Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes, recipes. You hit the top or you left.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Some fake, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here.
Artlist.io.
Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I know it's kind of short, but pretty much, yeah, what I do is I just clean it how I just showed you. It's actually starting to rain now. I knew it was going to rain. I just wanted it to be cleaned off because I hate that stuff sitting on my paint, especially like mud or dirt, you know, that kind of thing sitting on my paint. You know, whatever. I love my truck. Okay, so if you guys have any questions though, about what I do use or how I use it, obviously I'm not like the guy to go to for polishing or any stuff like that. I just wash my truck how I wash it. So yeah, so if you guys have any questions, like I said, let me know. I'll put the link down in the description for that Sun Joe, and then I'll also put a link. Let's see. I'll put a link for, I don't know, I guess that's really it, just the Sun Joe, and then probably the little tank I use to actually attach it on there, because the one it came with, you have to unscrew the wand and then screw that part on and then put on the little foam can tank and then take it off, put the wand on. It's kind of a pain, so I just bought one off Amazon, the quick disconnect one, and put it onto the wand. So that's pretty much what I do. I'll put a link in the description for that. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like 10 or 15 bucks, something like that, super cheap. So I'll put a link down in the description for that, and I'll put a link to that stuff. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and press that like button. If you want to see more uploads like this, it's just kind of like a random, you know, video, but I kind of wanted to show you guys that, you know, I do wash my truck and stuff like that. Yeah, let me know. I'll see you guys next time, America.